Did you know Northville High School's bell rings at night, even with no power? I'm Evan Miller, and this is episode 4. So like and subscribe to follow this series. Every night at exactly 3:17 a.m., neighbors hear the school bell echo once. Maintenance checked everything. No electricity, no backup system. Last night, I stayed near the building. At 3:17, the bell rang, and every classroom light flickered on for 1 second, just long enough to see silhouettes standing inside. When the lights went out, the bell rang again from inside the school.